Basic configuration of the CFT34A transmitter. In this video, we're going to set up basic configuration for this transmitter, changing from gallons per minute to a mass flow in pounds per minute. I would suggest that you set up the units of measure first, the engineering units, using the video recorded on how to make those changes. Once the units are set up, we can go in and change the display and the current output to reflect a mass flow instead of a volumetric flow. In order to do this, we will hit the right arrow key to enter quick setup, and we will hit the right arrow key again and the down arrow key to go to configuration. Hit the right arrow key to enter the configuration menu. Hit the down arrow key until you see the word measurement highlighted, and it should show you the current condition or volumetric flow. Hit the right arrow key to highlight volumetric flow, and use the down arrow key to select the units that you want to have attached to the 4 to 20. In this case, we're looking for a mass measurement, so we will use the down arrow key until we see mass flow. Once we see mass flow, hit the enter key to select that measurement, hit the down arrow key to specify the range. In this case, we are at 0 to 238.8 pounds per minute. If we want to change that number, we merely enter the range menu and then use the right arrow key to select the digit that we want to change, the up and down arrow key to change the value, and once we're happy with that value, we hit the enter key. Once we've completed setting up the range, this will also transfer to the current output. In other words, 0 will be 4 milliamps and 228.8 in this case will be 20 milliamps. Hit the enter key to return to that top level menu. Hit the enter key again until you see quick setup. Now this is taking care of the 4 to 20 milliamp, and it's changed the value associated with that 4 to 20 milliamp output to a mass flow. However, the display has not yet been changed. In order to change the top line on the display, we need to go into the setup menu by hitting the down arrow key 2 times. And when setup is highlighted, hit the right arrow key to enter setup, hit the down arrow key until the word display is highlighted, hit the right arrow key to enter display, and this is where you get the choices to set up the front display. Hit the down arrow key until you see the default display first measurement page is what you will be changing. Hit the right arrow key to enter that menu structure, and hit the down arrow key until you highlight first line variable. As you can see, this is still set for volumetric flow, not mass flow. So if you hit the right enter key, you will now highlight volumetric flow. Hit the down arrow key until you see mass flow highlighted, and we'll get there in a moment. And once we've highlighted mass flow, hit the enter key to select that. Hit the enter key again to start working our way back out through the menus. Enter key again and again and again. You will be asked to save your configuration. Say yes by hitting the enter key, and you'll return to the main screen. If you notice now, the top line of the display is in pounds per minute, and originally it was in gallons per minute. And that's what it takes to set up the transmitter to both have the current reflect the units that you want to output, and also have the top line of the display reading in those same units.